The 2026 Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphones Nokia has ever imagined, blending futuristic design, raw performance, and Nokia's legendary durability into one ultra-premium device. This phone feels like a bold statement from Nokia, clear, confident, and aimed directly at flagship killers of 2026. Starting with the design, the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G looks absolutely stunning. It is expected to feature a sleek glass and metal body with a clean, minimal Nordic aesthetic. The ultra-slim profile, curved edges, and premium matte finish give it a flagship feel the moment you hold it. Nokia's classic toughness is still here, but now wrapped in a modern, luxurious look that competes with the biggest names in the smartphone world. On the front, the display is where the Oxygen Ultra truly shines. Rumors suggest a large AMOLED or LTPO display with a super smooth high refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and exceptional brightness. Whether you're watching 4K videos, gaming, or scrolling social media, the visual experience is immersive and fluid, perfect for power users and content creators alike. Performance-wise, the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G is expected to pack a next-generation flagship processor, paired with massive RAM and fast UFS storage. This means lightning-fast app launches, seamless multitasking, and console-level mobile gaming without overheating. Combined with pure Android optimization, the phone promises a clean, bloat-free, and ultra-smooth user experience, something Nokia fans truly appreciate. The camera system is another major highlight. The Oxygen Ultra 5G is rumored to feature a high-resolution AI-powered camera setup designed for professional-grade photography. Expect crisp daylight shots, impressive low-light performance, and cinematic video recording with advanced stabilization. Nokia's focus on natural colors and realistic details makes this phone ideal for vloggers and mobile photographers. Battery life is where this device becomes a true daily champion. With a large battery capacity and ultra-fast charging support, the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G is built to last all day, and then some. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on the go, this phone is designed to keep up with your lifestyle without constant charging anxiety. In terms of connectivity, the phone fully embraces the future with blazing fast 5G, advanced Wi-Fi, and enhanced security features. Regular software updates and long-term support make it a smart investment for users who want reliability along with innovation. Final verdict: the 2026 Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G represents a powerful comeback story. It's stylish, fast, reliable, and packed with future-ready technology. If Nokia delivers even close to what's expected, this smartphone could easily become one of the most talked-about flagship devices of 2026. If you love clean Android, premium design, and powerful performance, the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G is a phone you should definitely keep your eyes on. Rocket Cell Phone.